Hello everyone. How are you doing today? Are you awake and ready to learn? Welcome to the new school year. I am Lily de la Garza, co-teacher for RISE. This year we're going to start with online classes. I know we're learning from home, but today we will be learning about school bus safety rules to prepare us for when we do go back to school. We will be able to learn and follow school bus safety rules. Now, think about one rule you already know about school bus safety. I'll give you some time to think about it. Very good. Now, let's go over the slides and see if the rule that you were thinking about is there. School buses are the safest way to go to school if you follow all the rules. Here are some things we can do to be even safer in and around the school bus. Bus safety is as easy as ABC. Always be careful. A, always. B, be careful. C. So, tell me, what does the ABC stand for? Awesome. Always be careful. A, B, C. Very good. Always arrive early. At least 5 minutes. Rushing increases our chances of getting hurt. So make sure you wake up early to get ready for school and have enough time to walk to your bus stop. Stay back. Stay back from the road and the curb while waiting for the bus. Avoid playing around at the bus stop. You see the students right here? How they're standing away from the curb? Always remember that. Board safely. Make sure to look at the bus driver and he will tell you when it's okay to board the bus. If you need to cross the street, always look both ways and make sure no vehicles are coming. So what should you always do before crossing the street? Yes, you should always look both ways. Very good. Always cross in front of the bus and keep about 10 feet away, making sure you can see the bus driver. You see the students waving at the bus driver? And he is waving back at the students, so that means that he's able to see them. So always remember, if you can see the bus driver, he can see you. Don't move until the bus is stopped. Always wait by the curb till the bus makes a complete stop and the bus driver opens the doors. Make sure you never walk behind the bus. The bus driver won't be able to see you, so always make sure you walk in the front of the bus. Once you see the bus, you line up and enter the bus in a single file. Do not push and Sit in the first empty seat you see. When you find your seat, make sure to sit with your legs in front of you, away from the aisle. If you drop something, don't pick it up. Let the bus driver know so that he can wait for you or he can help you pick up the item. Use the handrail and secure loose items. Always make sure your tennies are tied. Look at the picture. You see the student holding on to the rail? Always hold on to the rail and make sure you watch your step. Keep the aisle clear. Do not place your backpacks on the aisle. The bus driver needs a clear view of the cars in the back. So always put your backpack in front of you. Don't distract the bus driver. Stay in your seat. Don't hang out the window. Talk quietly to the person sitting next to you. Once a bus driver comes to a complete stop, that's when you can stand up and exit the bus quietly. If your bus has seat belts, always remember to buckle up. Danger zones. If you can touch the bus, you are too close. Stay 10 feet away. Do you see the red zone? Everything that's red around the bus, all this here, you should stay away from because the bus driver won't be able to see you. Never walk through the back of the bus because he won't be able to see you. Always make sure you're in front and 10 feet away so that the bus driver can see you. Always make eye contact with the bus driver so you'll know that he sees you. Here are a few questions that I need for you to answer on a separate sheet of paper. Once you're finished, you can upload them to the Teams website or the Teams app, or you can send them to your teacher. Question number 1. What are the ABCs? Is it A, always be careful, or B, always be colorful? So what are the ABCs? A, always be careful, or B, always be colorful? Number 2, what should you do before crossing the road? Is it A, don't look and run, or B, look both ways and walk? What should you do before crossing the road? Is it A, don't look and run, or B, look both ways and walk? Number 3, what should you not do at the bus stop? Is it A, I'm sorry, that was number 2. Let me go to number 3. Sorry, number 3. What should you not do at the bus stop? Is it A, listen, or B, play? So what should you not do at the bus stop? Is it A, listen, or B, play? Number 4, when the bus comes to a stop, what should you do? You should line up, A, or B, keep talking to your friends. Again, when the bus comes to a stop, what should you do? Is it A, line up, or B, keep talking with friends? Number 5, always keep the aisles. Is it A, clear, or B, with your backpacks? Always keep the aisles. Is it A, clear, or B, with your backpack? Number 6. When should you stand up from your seat? Is it A, when the bus is moving, or B, when the bus comes to a complete stop? Number 6. When should you stand up from your seat? Is it A, when the bus is moving, or B, when the bus comes to a complete stop? Now our last question, number 7. Never distract the bus driver. Is that A, true, or B, false? Never distract the bus driver. A, true, or B, false? Okay, now let's start to work. Let's do our assignment. Remember, put your answers in a separate sheet of paper, and you can upload them to the Teams app or send them to your teacher. Thank you.